Hello and welcome back to part 2 of Let's Go Bali. We finished our lunch, check-in, immigration and roaming now the duty-free area on our way to the gates. Final call. We just made it into the AirAsia plane and are now able to relax for our 3-hour non-stop flight to Bali. Okay, we are ready to take off and see you in 3 hours in Bali. After a pleasant 3-hour flight from Kuala Lumpur, we timely landed in Bali at the Ngurah Rai International Airport near the main city of Denpasar. Always amazed by the beautiful decorated airport arrival hall and the speedy, efficient way COVID, immigration and custom clearance was handling us, enabling us to be on our way to the hotel without any delays. And finally arriving in Legian, Bandung Regency, where we booked in at the Alam Kulkul Hotel, a beautiful boutique resort featuring a nice garden, 2 swimming pools, restaurants, spa, meeting rooms and more. The Legian beach is conveniently located just across the Jalan Kota Road. Okay, that's a nice, spacious, clean and well-maintained bathroom. It even comes with a rain shower and an ordinary shower head. Beautiful. Here we have the wardrobe with safe, minibar with free water, coffee and tea, and a large king-size bed with ambient light and direct view onto the TV, which makes relaxing here really a pleasure. Lastly, since the room is on the higher floor, there is a nice balcony giving the privacy I need for having a few drinks with chips and chilling out after a long day traveling to Bali. My apology, as it is nighttime, the camera isn't able to capture the beautiful garden and swimming pool. So for now, I say good night and see you back in part 3 of Let's Go Bali. Night, bye bye.